What's up, everybody? Typical Awesome here. Today, this is a trap video on mcpe. Okay, guys, so I just want to show you guys one trap. This is for mobs, basically. I'm going to show my difficulty on one. I'm going to get the zombie pigman. Now, say he was to walk in there. Well, he's never getting out now. Haha. Okay, guys, and this is my other trap. I'm going to go and switch to survival. I'm here in survival. Crap, I can't get out. I can't get out. Oh. Well, yeah, there goes 7 blocks of TNT. So, hey guys, I just want to come mine this tree real fast. I died. Well, I died, guys. I'm so sad. Okay, guys. Ooh, guys, I found oh, crap. Man, I feel stupid. Okay, let me come back right here. Traps, survival. Okay, let me go and get my pickaxe out. Yes, diamonds. Hey, diamond. Okay, let's go. Oh, well, you were supposed to die, but there's only 1 block of TNT there. So yeah. Well, now I got a free diamond. Yeah. Okay, guys. So it's just to walk. Crap. I'm gonna die. I'm low on health, guys. Hey, who's doing that? Who's doing that? Who's hitting me? Who is it? Oh. Okay, well, guys, I died there. So tragic. Okay, well, there's one more trap I need to show you guys. Wait, let me make sure. Oh, wait, there's going to be one more. Oh, wait, never mind. But yeah, guys, it's going to be this trap. So, I'm just going to walk into the house. Ooh, get in this chest right here. Okay, yeah, let me get them diamonds. Oh, yep, never mind. Oh, his house went by. Well, the house went bye-bye. So did those fake diamonds. Okay, there's one right over here. I'm going to go into creative to show you guys. This one is basically a tip, not a trap. Not a tip, but it's something that I invented myself. Because who doesn't want Minecraft fireworks in mcpe 0.14? Or just straight up mcpe. So go ahead and get this real fast. Place some TNT right there. Go ahead, get the flint and steel, and done. As you guys can see, that TNT landed on the block. So then when that TNT explodes, it's going to shoot that one up into there, and then it explodes, causing a firework reaction. So guys, watch this again. Fireworks, watch it up in the sky. Boom, guys. Fireworks! Okay, guys, so that is going to be it for this video. So I hope you guys wait, let me just make sure. Hi, big old trap. The zombie pigman escaped. I'm mad. I'm mad. He just despawned, guys. Nothing to worry about here. Guys, nothing to worry about, see? Can't get out at all. So yeah, guys, that is it. So I hope you guys have an awesome day. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already. But make sure to have an awesome day, and peace out.